What's going on, guys? In this video I want to show you how to switch accounts in the WeBull mobile app. So if you have multiple accounts, so for people that have, let's say, a cash account and a margin account, you can switch between those two accounts. Or if you have maybe a rollover IRA account or a traditional IRA account, you can definitely switch between those accounts on the WeBull mobile app. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So once you log into your WeBull mobile app, and then you go under menu, and then go under settings, and then go to switch accounts. Once you go to switch accounts, you can see that you have multiple accounts there. All you have to do is click the account that you want to switch to, and then just go back and back, and you're right in the account. And that's it. That's how simple it is to switch the account on the WeBull mobile app. Let me know again in the comment section if you do have any questions. Again, this tutorial is designed to help you if you have multiple accounts and how to manage them. And once you log into these accounts, you don't have to log out again. All you have to do is just use your trading password and you're good to go. So you log in once with all the accounts that you have. Let's say your cash account and your margin account, and you can switch back and forth in those accounts. So that's what I wanted to cover in this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Again, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.